Welcome back to another Sunday reset. So you guys know how much I love breakfast. Breakfast is extremely important for my health, my nutrient intake in the morning. So one thing about it, I do not miss breakfast. My go-to lately has been an omelet with spinach and tomato, some mozzarella cheese, and I always sprinkle a little bit of cheddar right on top at the end. I have me a few pieces of protein. My choice of fruit is usually a banana, and then I'll have like some sort of protein, being the normal bacon or sausage. Some Sunday mornings I have breakfast alone because I wake up a lot earlier than everyone else in the house. That just allows me some time to unwind and listen to some inspirational speakers on YouTube. And then I can also do my little routine around the kitchen just to maintain a clean house and also prep Sunday dinner. Try to brush me off, try to brush me off of the sea. But my legs gonna be from I didn't always practice healthy habits in the morning. Sometimes I wouldn't eat breakfast until lunch, and I noticed that I would like hop right into like the daily tasks. You know, you want to knock things out the way, but it's so important to feed your body, to hydrate your body, to make sure you get those nutrients, and you'll have a much more productive day if you do these things in the morning. Sometimes it's better to start off with a slower pace. I know sometimes that's not always realistic when you have a lot of priorities, like if you have to go to work or if you have young children. It's just not always easy to do. But what I have been doing different and that's been allowing me to actually achieve these things is going to bed earlier, making it more so, I don't want to say a job, but making it just as important as it is to get to work, to get up and eat breakfast like I'm punching a clock. I don't like to force myself to eat. That's not the case with me anyway, because I love eating. So I always make sure that I do that little thing for me in the morning. And then of course I'll touch up on some things in the house. I always like to start my cleaning off in the kitchen. We spend a lot of time in the kitchen. There's a lot of little handprints that get all over the appliances, and just when you live in a house, things get messy. So I've been doing these little routines to just keep up on my cleaning so that it doesn't have to be such a deep cleaning all the time, and then that takes up your whole day. So just doing these little things on a daily basis, like every Sunday and every Wednesday, just to maintain your house, it brings me a lot of peace of mind, and it's a lot less work on those deep cleaning days. My low maintenance cleaning consists of wiping down the cabinets, vacuuming, sweeping, cleaning the mirrors around the house, dusting. Those little things go a long way. Trust me, they go a long way. Look at this video and think there's nothing to be clean, because it looks clean for the most part, but it's the little things that go a long way, like cleaning my appliances, getting those little sticky fingers off the appliances. I mean, it brings me peace of mind to have squeaky clean appliances. And there's little crumbs after each meal that your kids have that you have to keep up on, and also the dust. My house collects a lot of dust, so just dusting and those little things really go a long way. When I come home after a long day's work, I like to come home to a clean house. So it's important for me to just get this stuff knocked out the way early in the morning. I understand that during the week when you're at work, it's hard to, come home and have the energy to clean the house. So I try to do these little things even when the house does look clean, because believe it or not, they're there. And it just brings me a lot of peace of mind when I come home from work and my house is clean. And trust me, there's always something to clean when you have little kids. In the past, I would get discouraged when my kids wake up. I used to feel overwhelmed. Like, how am I going to clean with them running around and in my way and adding to the mess? You know, you're cleaning and they're right there making a mess, but that's just the reality of it. You know, you just have to get used to it. I find balance in not overthinking things, not getting so upset so quickly. You know, who wants to clean up if someone's right there making a mess? But they're just kids and that's just life. So I allow them to eat and I just make it very clear to myself that I'm going to have to clean up after they're eating, and I'm already cleaning up as well. But that's just my routine. You know, I look forward to getting these things out the way, and I let them still be kids while I knock these things out. I don't allow my kids to distract me. Sometimes I would get distracted in the past and I would just feel like so overwhelmed, and now I just allow them to roam the house and not, you know, bottle them into their rooms. You know, I just allow them to enjoy their day. It's their day off. It's Sunday, and I just do things around them. I just learned to work around them.
Jiggle up your body for me, baby. Move say your love when we come in your belly. Yeah. One punch like champion life. Give you something, make you ready like a motorbike. Me are the original, me are the prototype. Them think we don't do this, I kick it in a overdrive. Holy China, thank you for the pull up, it's a part. Millions at this cost in my full on. This is God and I to run up on down. Try to brush me off, try to brush me off by the seams. Bad man legs calling me to unruly till I please. Why, disrespect me and shut on me.
Now I'm going to move on to the upstairs of the house. I like to start with the kids' bedrooms. August's room, for the most part, doesn't really get a mess. Again, August has his little sticky fingers all over everything, so I just like to wipe his dresser down, put his toys back in his toy bin, which probably won't last long because, you know, he'll be going back and forth to play with them. But his room is normally an easy cleanup. I just like to fold and put his clothes away, and I also pull out his clothes for the week. It's easier when I know what he's going to wear for the week. And then I just tidy up the little things around, like his shoes or books, toys, you know, and whatever I can just get out the way and keep it as neat as possible while still allowing him to play. I just do those things and I move right into Aubrey's room. Now, Aubrey's room is a different story. She's a little older, so I try to teach her how to clean her room. She has no interest in cleaning her room. Aubrey is the sloppier kid, if I must say, and it's just a lot. It's a lot going on in here, so this will probably take a while, but yeah. Aubrey likes to pull out every outfit. She likes to pull out every blanket. She likes to literally just be like a little funk. She just likes to have her room nice and funky. It's just her thing. I pray that she grows out of it. I don't know where she gets it from, but that's how Aubrey gets down. Like most kids, Aubrey comes in her room and she just drops everything on the floor. She likes to flip all over the bed. She likes to put toys in all the craziest spots. Like you see things hanging from her ceiling. It's just a lot going on in here, and it honestly sometimes become a headache, but I don't allow it to stress me out because now that she's older, I make her clean it up. So I do a little bit of fussing. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I get a little overwhelmed with her not listening and I might fuss a little bit, but I just really want her to understand that, you know, you'll feel so much better being in a clean space space. It's easier to find things. I try to practice those good habits with her, so eventually they become her normal. I'm going to take these next few hours to just get us all together, get our hair and stuff together, and then we're going to head right out to do some car cleaning. It's so freaking nice out, you guys. What is this person doing? I'm at the car wash, by the way. This lady is going off like she got somewhere to be. But seriously though, move up. I'm gonna wash my car. It's been long overdue. Vacuuming it. It's disgusting in here. I just need to get my car a whole deep clean. So I might stop at the dollar store and see what they have because I need Windex. Or Walmart or somewhere that sells Windex. I just need some freaking Windex on hand. And I want to keep something in my car. My car is gotten extremely out of control. It's so nasty. The kids only ride with me for like 30 minutes at a time most of the time, and they destroy my car. And it's been a while since I've cleaned it out because the weather hasn't been bad, but it's been cold. But it's almost 60 degrees out. Yeah, clean your car today. What's your excuse? You're off, clean your car. You know, who doesn't want to pull up in a clean car when it's nice out? So yeah, I'm just gonna get me a regular wash. I don't need anything special because I don't feel like they do that good of a job anyways. And I want to get some like air freshener for the car. I want the car to smell good. I want my house to smell good. So that's the vibe for today. So yeah, let's clean the car. And who knows what else we might do. We might do some other things, but we'll talk about that stuff later.
I'm so cozy.
Whoa, really, dude? Trying to get hit. And I've been in the house cleaning all day. I cannot believe it's 60 degrees outside. That is absolutely beautiful. But at least, you know, we get to get out and enjoy this nice weather while we're cleaning. I mean, who wants to clean in the cold? That's part of the reason why I haven't cleaned my car out in so long, because it's been so freaking cold outside. Look at these freaking handprints. I might have to run inside the dollar store because I want to clean this up here, all the windows, and I just want to, you know, have it on standby for whenever my kids want to put their yucky fingers on my windows. Did y'all guess where we might end up? If you guessed Ross, you were right. I actually wanted to get this for my car. I wonder if the scent is any good. I don't know about this scent. It looked like it's probably kind of masculine. Oh wow, I always wanted one of these, a seatbelt cutter. They say these are really good to have, and it's only $7.99. Should I get that? Come on. Definitely can use these in the house.
lettuce and tomato?
Yeah, and fried onions, little fried onions.
Anything in dessert?
No.
1733. Change card at the moment. Sorry. Yep.
Thank you. How long do you think?
Be done in 7 minutes.
7 minutes? Okay. I'll be right back. Alright, thanks. Alright, order me a burger. And I'm gonna go feed August in the next 7 minutes. So hopefully I'll be done in 7 minutes. I can feed him in 7 minutes. Or 10 minutes, whatever. I know we ain't had no intentions on being outside, but somebody's really bugging today. So this is how I'm shopping in Dollar Tree. The struggle. Don't even know what I need. Can't even think straight. Because he want to be yelling every 5 minutes. I needed like some cleaning stuff. So we'll start there. So do I need some gloves? I know I need this. Definitely need one of those. I should have had like a little broom like this for my car. I did just get a little mini vacuum, but this is not bad for in the car. I don't really see anything in here that I could really use. Like, I got all of this stuff. I wanted the Windex wipes. Like, you don't really get much in here. I mean, I know it is only $1.25, but... Oh my goodness. Now this right here, if you got carpet, baby, this will get a stain up for sure. What? Yes. You know what? I think we should go shopping for self-care products. It's so worth having a self-care day, and I don't want y'all to feel like it's not achievable if you don't have like certain products and stuff. You can still have a very pampering day by not breaking the bank. So I'm going to show you guys how. Are you excited? I'm excited. I'm super excited. I think we're going to find a ton of stuff, because I know for me, like, I'm just at heart a bargain shopper. Yes, I love to save my money wherever I can save my money, and I don't mind splurging if it's worth splurging. But if you know, however, you can't afford to buy these extremely expensive luxury products, doesn't mean you don't deserve to take care of yourself. Doesn't mean you do not deserve a self-care day. I love that they put a stop sign here. It's such a beautiful day. We're looking for something fun to do. Hey baby, I think I'm gonna marry you. Yo, I can't lie, like, no cap, the sun makes me so happy. Like, thank God for the sun, okay? Yeah, so we're gonna go to 2 stores that I feel like will definitely get the job done. And I hope you guys are excited. I'm super excited. I know we're gonna find stuff. When I shop, I find things. I find bomb things. And I'm gonna share with you my affordable self-care products. So after this video, there will be no more excuses. I want you to pamper yourself. You deserve to be pampered. If no one has told you, you are deserving to be pampered, and you won't have any more excuses, because we're going to find some affordable products. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful and productive day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.
I'm so cozy.